So today I'm going to try to fix my VW glove box latch. Here's what happened to mine. It broke off, completely broke off, and I determined that the holders of these little pins, which slide in here, the holders snapped in half. They were like pipes, and the front half of the pipe snapped off. The back half is still intact. So my plan, I have nothing to lose since it's already broken. My plan is to epoxy these pins back into place because it'll still rotate inside this holder. Now, the plan is to keep the glue from cementing the rotating part of this little pin. I've slid some little C-rings, these are split washers, onto the pin. And you can see them right here. And hopefully when I smother this with epoxy, it won't go inside and cement the part that has to rotate. So I don't think it's going to work, but nothing to lose. I guess it's easily broken off again if it doesn't. And at that point, we'll have to look for a different solution. So we'll give it a try. Now in my case, the mechanism still works. You can reach in with 2 fingers and push down on those 2 latches, and the glove box opens. Here you can see the pin holders that broke off. These are the parts that I'm going to smother with glue. Well, it's been 24 hours. Even though it's 5-minute epoxy, I gave it 24 hours, so it'll be fully set. Let's see if it works. Well, it's moving. That's a good sign. It works. Well, I don't know how long it's going to last. I'll be gentle with it. But for the moment, looks like I've saved a couple $100. Well, sure hope this helps someone. Thanks for watching.